Hello guys, today we will try to install Asus Tinkerboard inside PyTop. I see lots of point of views in internet about this, and some people tells yes it should fit, some people tells no it will not fit because it's different. Okay, so we have Tinkerboard here. And we have Raspberry Pi here, Raspberry Pi Model 3B. And if we take a look on these two, they looks pretty similar. We can see HDMI ports on same places, audio ports, display ports, and GPU header on same places and with same pin numbers, and they should be pin by pin compatible. Differences is we have CPUs in different places, and they actually have different sizes. This one is a little higher than this one, but let's try to install Tinkerboard inside PyTop. I already disassembled my PyTop for this to save some time. So let's try to install it. Installation procedure is pretty similar to original, but there will be just one little trick. So firstly we must install Tinkerboard to its place and tighten two left screws. Only two for now, otherwise we probably will have problem with connecting bridge. Okay, now let's install PyTop hub and connect it. And because we only have two screws tightened, not all four, we can a little bend PyTop like here. Okay, now is that little trick. To install this bridge, we must firstly put it here on GPU header. Okay, but don't press it, only align it with pins, let it get down just for 1 millimeter or less, just align it with pins, but don't press right now. Now it aligned here, and we need to connect it to PyTop hub. Gently press here and a little bend this all construction up. Here we have it connected to hub, and now press here until it will fully down. Okay, it's connected. Now just tighten all screws and we will able to turn it on and check what happens. So why you may want to do this? Tinkerboard is pretty similar to Raspberry Pi, but it have faster CPU, and more important, it have 2 GB of RAM instead just 1 GB in Raspberry Pi, and RAM here is dual channel, so it have really faster bandwidth than Raspberry, and this is very you can feel it if you start a browser, for example, with a number of pages opened in one time. Tinkerboard will really faster. so it's a really good idea to use it instead of Raspberry. Okay, it's connected and we can try to turn it on. Give it a couple of seconds to initialize it. It have a little more delay on start than Raspberry, but yes, it's working. I have Gentoo Linux here, and I compiled it all on Tinkerboard itself. I don't use cross-compiling, and it's working pretty fast, and most important, it's not overheating. So it's not a big problem about if heatsink not fully aligned with CPU. It's working good enough. If you have some questions, you can ask me under this video. Thank you for watching.